Another one of my favorite meals is ground turkey lettuce wraps topped with pico. Now these things can be interchangeable. You can add some things like garlic cloves, green onions, red onions, but don't overdo it. Let's get right into it. Now we have about a pound of ground turkey for these lettuce taco wraps. We're gonna start by coating our pan again once with olive oil. And I like to put my seasonings in while it's still a little bit fresh cooking so that the seasonings can cook in the meat. And this is 93% ground turkey, 7% fat. I try to go as lean as possible. Just brown this as if we were making like some tacos. Takes about 7 minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes, found it easy to follow along, and eventually be preparing it for yourself, friends, and family. Every healthy recipe that I bring to you can be customized, no matter what lifestyle you're starting with, weight loss, building lean muscle, or just to maintain your chronic disease. Always remember to plan ahead, portion control is vital, and that no one is perfect. It takes time to learn how to eat healthy, and it also takes time to learn how your body responds to certain foods. Take your time, eat clean, be well.